right, here we go. Ram mount. You guys know what's up. He needs to have himself a quad lock. Okay, grab yourself a quad lock motorcycle handlebar mount. Go ahead and use the vibration dampener so you can keep your phone camera in good tippy-top shape and it won't be falling off like this. His phone's actually on the ground about 3 miles back. Here we go. Okay, we're intersecting here. We're intersecting. Good job with the braking. You can have that helmet chat. That's perfectly fine.
Okay.
He's not doing anything stupid. He didn't rev bomb. He didn't honk his horn. But this is what I'm talking about here. We have a parking lot. We should be in orange stage. We got a pedestrian. You got side of the bicycle. We have people wanting to go in, go out of the gas station. So we should be kind of prepped and ready. Plus, we're going to an intersection to go ahead and merge on this main road. We should be looking around and paying attention. So right here, we see this vehicle coming in. They're merging out. Now, why did that vehicle go out when we're coming? They either didn't see us because of unintentional blindness, but take a quick look at a possible line of sight issue here. Okay, so this sign is blocking the vehicle. That's gonna be kind of difficult for that vehicle to see us based off of the fact that they're not looking for us because of unintentional blindness. They're looking for other cars. The brain literally shuts off looking for motorcyclists. They're looking for pedestrians and other vehicles, things that are typical for a car driver. Motorcycle riders, everything is typical for us, so we see everything. That's one of the great things about being a motorcycle rider is that you can actually become a better car driver too. So they have that blocking. They have unintentional blindness. That's no excuse for them to pull out and we hit them. But at the end of the day, we need to understand our enemy. We need to understand the problems that they have. We understand how to mitigate those issues with our skills. We can't make them not do this. We have to make ourselves become better so that we don't hit things. So when we see something like this, like in a parking lot, we don't see the car, but we see the parking lot. We see the situation we're in. We're in orange stage. We're like, man, I don't know. I'm going to be covering the brakes. I'm going to be looking for escape paths until I'm in a safer environment, and then I can go back into yellow stage where I'm just kind of zoned in. So we're coming up to here. There's the person. We did a really good perception and reaction. We're applying progressive brake pressure. We want to maintain our good space cushion. We know they're going to come out, and we're going to go ahead and get pissed off in our head, but we're not going to go really far in there. We're not going to accelerate and then rev bomb and honk and flip off and punch mirrors. That's just putting ourselves in a dangerous situation. We're doing exactly what we should be doing here. This is a smart rider.
Jezus.
Very good, very good.
Kijk nou gewoon even.
Very good. Bazinga! Here we go. Slow down for the turn. Slow down for the turn. Looks like we had people waving people down there. We have side of the vehicle. Good job with the braking. Good job with the maneuvering. Got himself out of there. Two-wheel T. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, somebody's cutting us off.
He just tried to hit me.
I don't think he tried to hit you. I think he just wanted to... Ooh, maybe they are. At this point, let that idiot be an idiot. Have other vehicles be in between you and that idiot. Don't antagonize, don't encourage, don't be a part of it. All right, we got a sharp left turn coming up ahead. We have some people coming around the mountain, or the curve. Hopefully none of them low sides. Nope, they handled it. He's going nice and slow. This looks like tortilla flats. Oh, pay attention. That looks like in an area east of Phoenix, Arizona. Wasn't paying attention. I should never look back. I got way too cocky. Well, nice. Yeah, it can. That was a good after-action review. All right, we're going to go in a roundabout. We should be in orange stage, prepped and ready for any idiots doing this, which he is. Good job with the progressive brake pressure. Handled it really well. Moving on with our day. All right, get your hands on those handlebars in this crazy area. Okay, is this dirt? Oh, found that uncommon thing in a common situation. Good job. Moving over. This is an example of planning your ride. He's going to position himself for safety because he located a hazard. And all it's going to take is for him to adapt to that. Just needs to adapt to it. Very, very good. Very briefly, Unyacht ride for fun. Here we go, traveling through the jungle, forest area. Ooh, uncommon thing in a common situation. Locked up that back tire, got a little bit of skidding going on, but he found it, perceived it, reacted, but then he went to go punch the mirror. Kind of dumb. Don't do that. Go ahead and find that escape path. Get yourself out of there. Jixer power. Going really fast. Really fast. Not going with the flow of traffic. Do we have somebody that's going to get in front of us and we're going to have to find that little itty bitty escape path? Yes, we do. Let's take a quick look at this one real quick. I want you guys to be paying attention. He is trying to plan his ride at this speed. I recommend you don't do this speed, but he found that escape path last second, got himself out of there, moving it right back in. Let's just not go this fast. How about we don't do that? All right, sector. Here we go. Ooh, okay. I thought you lost some traction there, but are we gonna do? We did. We got a little bit panicked. A little bit panicked. A little too fast for the corner. A little bit too fast for the corner. He tried to stand it up and apply the brakes, but he had a nice little brown stage moment where he panicked and break down a mental and physical performance. No bueno, no bueno. So let's take a quick look at that one again. So slow it down. We're going 98 right here. 98. I believe this is miles per hour. It could be kilometers, who knows? But we're going through the turn. We're doing pretty good. Still doing pretty good. How come we panicked? I don't know. I don't know why we panicked, but we did. Did not look through the turn. Remember, do slow look, press, and roll. That's the simplest and easiest thing that you could do. You don't need to know advanced techniques like trail braking or anything like that. Trail braking is cool and all, but you know what? It's a little bit advanced for the beginner. So let's go ahead and jump into this part right here where he tries to slow it down and he dumps the bike. But he does have full gear, so part of being a smart rider is seeking out and recognizing that this was a hazardous situation. Didn't really maintain his fundamental skills. Let's put that back on the screen. He does have gear, so he acquired it, and he's using it. So he's lifting up the bike. Hopefully this rider back there is going to rescue and do a quick assessment. All right, here we go. Going through here, we have in-town stuff. Raider side of the vehicle. Ooh, found his escape path. I hate those metal patches in the road. It was a pretty scary situation, so he's gonna get in through here. Okay, you see some sun in our eyes. I see the side of the vehicle right there. We should be in an orange stage. We see this person coming out. We don't know what they're gonna be doing, so we're constantly planning our ride, positioning ourselves for safety, locating hazards. He did a quick head check. He's moving over to the left lane. Did a great job. He did a good job with locating, and now he's positioning further away from the idiot in the van. So we're going to get up to here. Now, imagine if he never switched lanes. Think about that. Think about that. Never switched lanes. He was in that far right lane. Boom, side of the vehicle. Right into it. He positioned himself. He moved over. And now look at, he's in a position for safety to where it's just a tiny movement to the next lane for that swerve. Still sucks he had to do it. But now we're in this lane. We got to get ourselves back over because we had a median right here. We don't want to hit that either. So good job. Good job. Smart rider. Smart rider.